A little young for you, isn't she, Richie?
Beep, beep, Richie.
I didn't hear that. I didn't.
I beg your pardon?
Come on up, Richie. I got a balloon for you. Don't you want a balloon? What's the matter? One balloon, not enough.
Try
Is everything all right?
Yes.
Last chance, Tasha. Get out before it gets dark tonight. You're too old to stop me. You're all too old.
Well, Mike Hanlon, if you see...
Excuse me, sir. Do you have Prince Albert in a can? You do? Well, you better let the poor guy out.
Tell Mike Hanlon that I had to go, that I had to get cleaned up. Tell him. Tell him I'll see him tonight.
Get out! Last chance, Tasha. Get out! Get out! Excuse me, ma'am. Is your refrigerator running? It is. Well, you better catch it before it runs away. Oh.